Identify the active drawing after the installation is complete. Restart Google Chrome and open any PDF file in Chrome. Click the Extensions icon and locate Open Windows Local Directory. Pin the extension to the toolbar for easy access. Right-click the extension icon and select Open Side Panel. Once the side panel opens, adjust its width for a comfortable viewing experience. Click the OCR button. Select the folder containing your drawings and click OK. The selected path will be added to the extension automatically. Click Open Folder or press Ctrl + Enter to open the Windows directory. If the detected path is incorrect, you can edit it manually to match the correct drawing folder. This benefit of application. Key benefits: open the drawing folder directly from the PDF. No need to search folders manually.